Good morning. Good morning, everyone. So, I hope that everyone is doing very well. So, in our previous class, we have discussed about the lines and angles, isn't it? Yes. So, today we are going to the new chapter. Chapter name is Circles and Triangles. In this first section, we are going to discuss about circles. My dear students, you all are familiar with the different kind of shapes, isn't it? And in which we are all familiar with the shape that circle. In our daily life situation, we have seen so many objects in the shape of circle. Example, tires, isn't it? And tire of car, bicycle, and also a bus, isn't it? And also shape of clock. They are in the shape of a circle. So what is circle? Circle is a closed curve. So you can see a figure here. Circle is a closed curve, and which means we are going to first discuss this. This circle is formed with so many points, isn't it? There are so many points on this curved path, isn't it? Circle is a closed curve. Circle is a closed curve, and also in this closed curve, there are so many points. There are so many points in the closed curve. These all points are, these all points are equidistance from a fixed point. That is called O, or center of the circle. That is very important. What is the center of a circle? The center of the circle means the in a closed curve, all the points in a closed curve, that is called a circle. In the circle, all the points are equidistant from a fixed point. That fixed point is called the center of the circle. Okay, so same distance. That means I am denoting here OP. OP is a distance, and I can denote a distance OQ. OQ is also a distance, and I can denote another distance OR. These distances are same. These distances all are same. That means OP, OQ, and OR. These three distances are same. That means OP equal to OQ equal to OR, and it is denoted by a letter called R, small letter R, and is named as radius of the circle. That is, OP is the radius of the circle, OQ is the radius of the circle, and OR is the radius of the circle. So we can generally say they are the radii of circle. Radii of circle with the center O. So what is radius? Radius is the distance between the center and the point on the circle. Distance between the center and point on circle, that is OR, OP, OQ are called the radius of the circle. Okay. Circle is the closed curve. Circle is the closed curve. O is the center of the circle. That means all the points in the circle are equidistant from a fixed point. That means same distance from a fixed point. That fixed point is called the center of the circle. Okay. Okay. So we have discussed about what is circle and center and radius of circle, isn't it? Now let us consider 2 points on circle, like point A and point B. Now I am going to draw a line segment through the point O, that is center of the circle, to the point B. So here we have the line segment AOB. So is there any property, or it has any feature? Look at here. Okay, so here we have two radii, that means OB and OA. That means this line segment AB, line segment AB is twice that of the radius, isn't it? That means AB have length which is twice that of the radius. Okay, so this line segment is called the diameter of the circle. That means the line segment which is passing through the center of the circle, and also it joins 2 points on the circle. Here we have 2 points A and B, and also it passes through the center of the circle. Then that line is called a diameter. That means AOB, line segment AOB is called a what? Diameter. AOB is the line segment that is called a diameter, and the length of the diameter is twice that of the radius. Twice that of the radius. Okay, so this is R and this also is R. So we can write diameter is equal to 2R. Diameter is equal to 2R. Okay, and now next one. I can draw a line segment like this, P, Q, and also I can draw like this, M, N. That means here I draw a line segment that is not passing through the center of the circle. That is not passing through the center of the circle, and it joins the 2 points on circle. That line segment is called the chord of the circle. That line segment is called the chord of the circle. Okay, that means PQ, comma, MN, and also AOB. AO diameter is also a chord. That is the largest chord. Diameter is the largest chord. In this figure, we have 3 chords. That is PQ, MN, and AB. These are the 3 chords in this figure. Okay, so chord means the line segment which pass through the which is the line joining between the 2 points on the circle. It may be passed through the center of the circle. Then that is called a diameter. So diameter also a chord, which is the largest chord in the circle. Diameter is the largest chord in the circle. Okay. Now, next one. Okay, now here O is the center of the circle and AB is the diameter. Now we just fold the circle through the AB, through the diameter. Now we just fold the circle through the AB. It becomes half of the circle. It becomes half of the circle. That half circle is called a semicircle. That half circle is called a semicircle. Okay, and again we can fold with its by its radius. Again we can fold this by its radius with the B. Then it becomes what? 1/4 of the circle. 1/4 of the circle. That means what? Quadrant. That is called a quadrant or quarter of a circle. Quarter of a circle, that is called a quadrant. These are the main terms in the circle. That is, first one is center of the circle, and second one is radius of the circle, and third one is diameter, and fourth one is chord, and semicircle, and quarter circle or quadrant. These are the main terms in circle. Okay, now the next term, there is another term that we are going to discuss, that is arc of the circle. Okay, look at here. Here I am drawing a circle with the center O, and I just note a point P and Q on circle. Okay, so this is a path. This is a curved path by this line joining P and Q. Okay, so the part of the circle, that means the part of the circle is called what? Arc. So this is called arc. PQ is an arc of a circle. Okay, and O is the center of the circle, and there is a curved path. The curved path PQ, we can take that PQ is the arc of this circle. Okay, it is a part of the circle, or it is a portion of the circle with center O. We can say PQ is the arc of the circle, and also we can consider like this, PQ is also a arc. And now I just take a point R here. Now I can take so many arcs. That is PR is an arc. PR is an arc. PR is an arc. And also RQ is also an arc. PQ is also an arc. Now again PRQ is also an arc. PQR is also an arc. So arc means it is a part of circle. Arc means it is a part of circle. Okay. So this is the introduction for this chapter, and these are the main key terms of circle. Again, once again, circle means a closed curve. It is a closed curve, and in which we are discussing about center of the circle, diameter of the circle, radius of the circle, chord and arc, quarter of circle, that means quadrille, and semicircle, that means half circle, that is called a semicircle. Okay, just read these sections in your textbook. Okay, so that's it.